What a beautiful day for some HVAC. All right, guys, today's video, I don't know if you can hear me. It's loud, windy, rainy. Anyways, today's video, a couple clips from today's install and yesterday. We couldn't get it done because we're just getting rained out. I couldn't do a line set in the rain. I have an umbrella, a Subco umbrella, but like, you know, there's only so much I'm gonna do. I'm not taking the vacuum pump out in the rain. So enjoy today's video. It's not quite done, but we're just about done. These lock nut wrenches make it so much easier.
That's what they do in the 90s.
Talk about some artwork.
That's what they did in the 90s.
What were they even going for? All right, we're just gonna clean this area. We're gonna turn the furnace this way. Try and clean this up. That 2-inch goes through this box.
All the way.
What was that used for? That must have been the exhaust at one point, and someone came back and made it right. That's definitely what happened.
Dude, you ain't lying.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's sitting up in there.
Wow. Let us cook. All of my Milwaukee batteries are pretty much dead, so we're busting out the old DeWalt. Got my pilot bit. We're pretty limited on space because we got this porch deck and we have the condenser, and that furnace room ends about right here. So this is where we got to come out. Let's make some holes. Okay, now we can put it in forward or clockwise. And there we go. We're gonna see where that ended up. Then we're gonna put an intake. We'll have to build them off away from each other. Boom, there's that. We can strap it up. It'll have plenty of fall. Just barely makes it in the furnace room. And now it's time to charge my Milwaukee batteries. Hit that outside with some silicone, start strapping the exhaust up. Is that all I really have left? We're gonna get some more of that. I've got J-hooks for where we come into the furnace room, so should just need these screws right here, and that should be it. Okay, we got the exhaust perfectly pitched, had a level up on it. I'm gonna strap the intake now. Not really too worried about the pitch on that. There's the end of that. almost done.